That shit stop. Never think about this shit. Heavy duty, man. I'm the one on the block that stay bragging, pants sagging, pumping more crack than faggots, packing gats with quick attachments, ready to let a nigga have it. Take his dome off with one blast quick. Y'all niggas already know we running these strips, so don't act hard to start running your lip, cause I'ma come out the blue and dump your whip while you making transactions on buying a brick. Take you and your connect out the game like a snitch. Leave you with no brains like a bitch that don't suck dick. Fuck you, nigga. Suck on this clip. Lead is the only thing that come with this shit, and you will never ever catch me slipping without my hammer. Like Two Men and Tim Allen. Niggas in my hood stay strapped with big things that'll have a nigga head looking like the drop top on the car. And my game up the par like a golf game, and I never had fame. Plus I love getting brain. I put the dick to a nigga dang. I put the clip to a nigga frame. I catch you in the night crawling, extra man out the game. Flipping dope to get change. Roll around town in the big boy range. Y'all better know what I'm talking about, cause I ain't talking no more or just running mouth. Guns is out. I clap the squeeze till your lungs is out. And where you get found, dog, in the slums, nigga, dog is just heard about. That's what I'm talking about. You can get murdered now. You thought I was bullshit, nigga? I hold it down. I shatter shit. I don't play around. I'm real. And niggas get found somewhere, dog, and it's real. Serious. This is life. Understand the price. I might put money, dog, and take your life for a nice shiny price. Understand it, dog, is wrong or right. This is life. Cost of living, dog, high ass price. Niggas know recession hit, dog, low ass price. For the white shit, went highest price, highest sky. Niggas better sit back and learn this shit. Heavy duty.